I'm Lynn Dickerson. Sardone McLain redid my kitchen and my bathroom. And I am very, very happy with what you did. It's amazing. It was either fix a house or put it on the market. If I was going to put it on the market, I still had to update it. It was built in 1960. The house had been different things to different people in our family. Stevie and Zach really noticed that that house contained a lot of history, literally generations. I just wanted things functional, slick and functional. I mean, for instance, I already knew I wanted highboys and nothing to step over in my shower, but that's an age thing. The bathroom was a nightmare, but Aya worked around what she had. And it's not a nightmare anymore, it's beautiful. The floors were laced perfectly. You needed to get in there and you let me make up my mind whether or not I wanted to stay while all of the construction was going on. Sardone McLain made me feel very comfortable, feel very special. I would refer my family and my friends to Sardone McLain.